All right, Mr. Dan here, and I got a new tool from Tool Theory. I wanted to share with you guys about what it is. I've been having some trouble making square cuts on my track saw, and supposedly this tool is going to help reduce that or solve that problem. Did not want to spend a bunch of money to get one of the certified solutions, so I'm going to use this rail square from Tool Theory. Let's check out what we've got. One of the first things that I need to do on here is to get this Empire square. It looks like this. I just picked it up from Home Depot for like 13 bucks. And we're going to use this to somehow attach it to the track, and then that's going to help us make that square that we've got. So I've got my track saw, my Wen track, as you can see. The orange actually fits, which is nice. I don't know if that's intentional, but I'm trying to save money and not spending the full price on things. All right, let's see what I've got. I got some cool 3D printed parts in here. Almost wish they had the STL so I could have done it myself, but these are actually pretty, well, they're very bendy, but they should work just fine. I wonder if these are printed too. Looks like the whole thing is printed, except for the hardware. That's pretty cool. All right, step one, put both brackets. Oh, I'm worried that this is the wrong square. All right, I am back from Home Depot, this time with the correct square. Not this square, this one. Guess I should have actually read the directions. It's supposed to be this 3990 or E3993 or something. It says up here E3992 right there in the directions. All right, I did think, I thought it was okay if it had these little teeth on the side, but it has to be this size teeth. Because now, hopefully if I got the right ones this time, when I slide this in, it's supposed to be on the very close tooth. Yes, it does kind of connect in both ways. Cool. Let's read the directions and figure this out. Should be using the very last indentation. Both sides. I'm going to put this one here as well. Oh, there we go. Does fit perfectly. All right, next, it has me orienting it like this. Next, I need the cam locks. All right, so these guys, guessing I'm gonna put this in here, like that. I do get 4. Maybe that's in case they break or something. Or is there any difference in the cam locks? Looks like there are 2 different versions. Right. Probably want to push it so the cam goes, kind of pushes in. Oh, there's one is like a nut side, one isn't. Maybe I'm supposed to put it on the bottom. Let's see. I guess that would actually make sense. 2 cam locks. Yep. Okay, then the mirror image of this one has to go there. The mirror image of this one goes there. A little, oh, I guess I can just screw them in from the other side with a screwdriver. That would make sense. Need a screwdriver. Hey, got my big old screwdriver. Okay. Oof, look at this. Screw it there. Like that. It says. Depends when you close your eyes. Can't wait. There it is. Let's take that out too tight. I got that all on the screen. So this one here. This one. Gotta make sure the crossword. That's what I need to do. Okay, not too tight. Let's start telling them too tight. That's always a difficult term. Even if I just checking sure that's still moving. Cool. All right. Got that. Let's see what's next. Read step 3 for the other side. Okay. Did that. Last step is to tighten the Nylock nut. Tighten the cam locks so they can still move freely with some resistance. Okay. Guess I could have just done that when I was installing the whole thing. Okay, now how do we put it onto the actual part? Now install the assembly onto the rail. I think there's this additional little support thing. We'll figure that out in a second. All right, contact surfaces. Looking at my directions here, looks like this rail should go like this, right? So that I'm able to do that. That's what I'm thinking. So that I can kind of connect it here. Oh, it's supposed to like go under. Oh, so it goes in this little spot. I see. So I'm going to turn this all the way back. And there's a spot that it kind of slides into right there. Okay, then. Oh, I've got my cam spots both there. Interesting. This one, oh, it does want to go, just not very much. Okay, let's see. Cool.
Oh, that's too far then. Cool.
Now let's build this support tab quick. Similar pieces. We're going to use the very last spot here, like that. And then this one goes below it. It's really hard to see that. Do that. Okay, then no picture of the support tab, but it's supposed to, I'm imagining, it's kind of out there. Because it's supposed to be like that, is what I'm thinking. Yep. Like this. Same thing on the other side. Let's put this nut in. And where's my screwdriver? Right there. Cool. All right. Cool, just like before. It's supposed to work. Nice. All right, let's take a look at how it's going to kind of work. The idea is I can go up here, find my square. Oh, that is really easy to do. And then I can use this thing as well to kind of get my support. Nice. I can see where one of the big critiques is you do lose a lot of space on your track. I'm wondering, though, if I can slide this down a bit, because I really only need it to contact like here. Now it will kind of like stab me. That is an issue. But at least I get a little bit more length of my square back, of my track, I mean. Now I've got it. Let's check it out. Feels sturdy now. I'm curious. Ooh, yeah. No give at all. That is right and nice and tight in there. Huh, okay. Well, let's do a couple test cuts and see how it goes. if you want to see, this is what it looks like, kind of assembled to the track. Got the two pieces pushed together, got the supports in the front, and now you can see a little bit better. Kind of goes into this channel right here. There's a little fold in the aluminum, and that's where it kind of grabs nice and tight right there as it's going in. Overall, I'm impressed. I only did the 2 test cuts so far, but it makes cutting those right angles, those square cuts, a lot easier. It is a little more expensive than I would have liked. I think it was like 20 or 30 bucks with just the pieces, and then the square is another 15 bucks. But it's still a lot cheaper than some of the $150, $200 solutions that are there before. And if you're already into the Wen system, like I decided to be, then it might be a good solution for you. Yeah. I'll let you know if I do some more testing, how it goes in the future, and if I have any more continued thoughts.